Hi guys, I'm here with a new video, and this video is about how to draw a dinosaur. So let's start with the head part. Follow these steps to draw a cute dinosaur, and you can see we have done the eyes and the head part of the dinosaur, then the nose and the mouth of the dinosaur, the ear, the nose and a smiley face with some teeth. Draw this pattern for the teeth. Now the neck. Let's move towards the hands of the dinosaur. Fill up the nails. The back portion. And the second hand. After that we will fill up the nails of this hand like that to make it more better. Sorry for the blurriness, it will take some seconds. Now here we go. Now we will draw the remaining body of the dinosaur. Gently and smoothly move your pen. Now the legs. Fill up the nails. If you want, you can fill up the nails. Now the second leg of the dinosaur. And that's it guys, we have done. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye.